Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can see all games you played on Roblox. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to search in Google Roblox and open the Roblox website. Okay, you can use or you can download the Roblox player as well. So might be I downloaded onto my screen, so it is not there. Okay, so then you need to simply open up, and here you can see in the discover tab you can see continue, and here you can see the games I played and click on see all. And here you can see if you played all more games, you can see all your games here. And if you want to continue, you simply need to click on that game and you can easily start playing that game. So this is a simple process by which you can see all games you played on Roblox. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.